Joseph Laduca, field manager, been with Turfscape for 6 years. When I was told of the opportunity, I was very fortunate and happy to be a part of the cutting edge. Technology is changing every day, and Turfscape wants to be a part of that. We want to be sprinting while everyone else is crawling. One of the biggest questions I've gotten since using the robotic mower is, aren't you afraid of it taking your job? And the answer is no. With the robotic mower, I now have more free time to do the detail stuff. Pick up trash, edge, pull weeds, drag the baseball field, paint soccer lines. And in addition, if there is a delicate area, I can always hop on the robotic mower and mow it manually by myself and be 100% in control of the mower. And another benefit of these mowers is they are quiet and they're more eco-friendly. When it comes to the safety of using robotic mowers, it has cameras and sensors that will alert it of any objects. If you get within 10 feet of the mower, it will pause mowing and it will not resume until that object is out of the way. Turfscape is one of the first companies in Ohio to be utilizing this new technology, and it's because we want to stay dedicated to staying ahead of the curve. To be honest, when I found out about the robotic mower, I was pretty skeptical myself. I wasn't sure what to expect. But now that I've spent time with it, I wouldn't change it any other way. I couldn't imagine doing what I do without it. I'm now able to provide so much more to the customer, to my crew. My time has been freed up, and I'm just able to give my property the detail it deserves.